guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are having an amazing Christmas. And since we're prepping for 2026, I know it sounds so unreal because it just 2025 went with a blink of an eye. And let's be real, in this all rushing period and time, we just have a little less time for ourselves. So why not just take one day out of our busy routine and just do some self-care? So here I am giving you 12 different ideas of from which you can actually do self-care that will help you. It would just take one day. This is something which I do, so I just thought I'll just share this with you guys. Okay, so the first thing whenever I start doing my self care is that I clean my space, because we all know this, a dirty space or untidy space always drains your energy. So it's always better to get your clean environments, clean, you can say the bed sheets, pillows, and everything sorted without actually cleaning yourself. So first step would be always to clean your surroundings. The second step, which I would say, is a all shower routine. Now this shower includes everything: your hair wash, your shaving, your every and anything. It might differ from girls and boys, but then usually the things remain same. So you can basically exfoliate, shave, then just cleanse yourself really nice, have a good hair shower, and maybe a spa session as well. So basically to get cleaned all together in one shower. That is the second step which we are going to follow. The third step, which I feel, is to wear something different, or maybe those clothes which you have kept in your wardrobe thinking that I'll wear this for some another function. No, you're going to take that clothes out and you're going to wear those, and trust me, it would just lift up your energy, because wearing something new and fresh would actually make you feel nice. It is like we save this for good occasions, right? So of course these clothes are something which are nice, which holds something which you feel like, oh, I'll be looking really nice in this clothes. So I would highly suggest to wear that clothes on those days. After we are done with cleaning our room, taking a shower, and also wearing something that makes you more confident, then we need to move to something which is really nice to smell. Maybe you can just burn a candle or wear a perfume, something which would actually lift up your mood and instantly make you feel a bit more calmer. It might be incense sticks, or you can say a candle, a perfume, anything which would make you smell nice. Okay, so after having all these things sorted, it's time to have your comfort food. Eat whatever you want, whatever you feel like having on that day. Anything like any meal or any dessert, anything which you feel you want to eat. Just have that comfort food which would instantly make you feel happy, and you will be set for the rest of the day in a very nice mood. So now after cleaning your external environment, yourself, having good food in a very nice tone, you can just start decluttering your digital space. This thing is something which everyone is like out of space every time in the world of technology, in the world of content. We have a lot of things which we need to declutter, and we usually try to avoid. We actually don't do to avoid this, but this is something which happens in the fast pace of content, that we have so much of things going around that we don't actually get time to declutter those things as well. So better way, start with your photos or your videos. Just make subfolders, and from your drive, from your hard disk, declutter those. After that, you can declutter all your AI chats as well, which is something, nowadays we are so dependent on AI that we have a lot of tabs, lot of chats which are unnecessarily open till date, which are not relevant to our situation. So you can just go delete those things as well. You can just remove all the subscriptions or anything which is not in your relevant lifestyle right now. So after doing your digital decluttering, you can actually go and do your budget check-in. So basically, what were your income, what is your expenditure till date for this month. This is a very simple thing, and since it is an year and you can actually go through the entire year what you actually wanted, what you actually got, where you did extra expenditure, where you actually saved money. So because of it you will actually get a clear idea of what went wrong and right in 2025 and what you need to implement in 2026, which would be actually helpful for you for your financial goals for 2026. So even though it is a tedious process and a boring one, please do your budget check-in. That is really important for you guys. Okay, so after this hectic budget check-in, it's time to really chill out. So you can do these two things alternatively however you want. So first is you can do any creative therapy session. Anything which you love, anything which is your hobby. It might be singing, dancing, crafting, journaling, anything which you feel actually nice about, you haven't done in a while, which is like our childhood hobby which we haven't done in a while because of our hectic lifestyle. Just go and do that just for 30 minutes, 1 hour. You will feel instantly nice, and this would be something which actually refresh your mind as well. Okay, so after this creative therapy session, just go out on a solo date, have your coffee by yourself, or you can just have, a walk in the nature, something that is outside your space so that you would be refreshed, and also you would get a really nice time for yourself during that coffee or during that walk. Okay, so now we are about to unwind our day. So you would just come back home, you could just meal prep and do a weekly planning. So everything to do list which you want to do for the next week, just do that. And also the meal preps, you can also get the groceries when you are going out previously during the walk, or you can just get anything from the delivery apps, anything which is convenient for you guys. But highly I suggest weekly meal preps and also the planning, because it actually saves you a lot of time. So you can just do this. Okay, so after all of this productive and a self-care day, we would be just left with two more things, which is soak your feet in warm water. This will help you relax a lot. It takes nothing, just warm water, a bucket, and you can just sit down and chill for a while. You can listen to music, listen to podcast, whatever you want to do. Just do it. You'll feel instantly relaxed. You can take a warm water bath as well. This helps to actually unwind yourself. And yeah, the last thing would be to journal your thoughts, or to journal your plans, or to journal anything what you felt for that day, what you want. You can manifest to anything. With journaling is such a versatile tool which you can do anything at that point. So I would highly recommend to end your day with journaling. And yeah guys, that was all for what you can do actually for a self-care day before the 2026 starts, and before we end this holiday vacation mode. Just do this, you will instantly feel nice. And I'll see you soon in my next video. I hope that you all are enjoying the vlogmas. I'll see you soon. Until then, bye bye.